As the ride begins on the Tema Motorway, the early morning light spreads across the corridor, revealing a highway that is no longer the same road many of us knew. The camera picks up the long stretch ahead, and instantly the transformation becomes clear. This is a project that is reshaping one of Ghana's most important road networks. The Tema Motorway Expansion Project is not just another construction effort. It is a complete rebuilding of a national asset that has carried generations of commuters, traders, industries, and cargo from the Tema port into the heart of Accra and beyond. From the moment the journey starts, the widened sections of the road stand out. Fresh concrete pavement stretches toward the horizon, forming a smooth, durable surface designed to handle the thousands of vehicles that move along this highway every single day. The new pavement is rigid, strong, and built for long-term service. For many years, the old motorway struggled under the pressure of heavy trucks carrying containers from the port. Cracks, potholes, and structural fatigue weakened the corridor. Now, as we ride through, you can feel the difference. The new pavement transforms the ride into a stable, firm, and consistent experience. The Tema Motorway Expansion Project is being carried out by a combination of local and international engineering teams working under the supervision of the Ministry of Roads and Highways and Ghana Highway Authority. This collaboration ensures that the project meets international safety and engineering standards. The companies involved bring advanced construction expertise, modern equipment, and experienced personnel capable of handling a project of this scale. Every section of the motorway tells a story of precision and planning, from excavation to pavement pouring, from drainage installation to interchange construction. As the ride continues, the camera captures several active work zones. Heavy machinery dominates the scene, excavators digging deep into the earth, compactors leveling foundation layers, dump trucks delivering aggregates, concrete mixers moving in steady cycles, and cranes lifting massive precast beams into place. Construction workers in reflective vests and helmets coordinate every movement, ensuring safety and accuracy at all times. The motorway is alive with activity, and this ride brings viewers directly into the heart of that progress. One of the major improvements on this corridor is the complete redesign of its drainage system. In the past, the motorway often flooded after heavy rainfall, causing dangerous driving conditions and accelerating pavement damage. Today, deep reinforced concrete drains line the edges of the expanded corridor, channeling water efficiently away from the road. These drains are wider, deeper, and built to handle large stormwater volumes. During the ride, you can see workers shaping concrete slabs, sealing joints, and reinforcing drainage channels. This improvement alone will significantly enhance the longevity of the motorway. Another major highlight along this journey is the construction of new interchanges and overpasses. These structures are essential in eliminating the chaotic merging and high-risk crossing points that once characterized the motorway. The camera captures towering columns rising from the ground, steel reinforcement bars arranged with precision, and cranes positioning large beams that will form the foundations of flyovers and ramps. These interchanges are designed to improve traffic flow, reduce travel time, and create a safer driving environment for motorists using the corridor. The Tema Motorway Expansion Project extends far beyond adding new lanes. It is a complete modernization of the highway's structural and safety systems. Along the route, newly installed median barriers, expanded shoulders, and wide lanes form part of the new design. These upgrades enhance safety by reducing collisions, allowing emergency stops, and giving drivers more space and stability. The median barriers also prevent vehicles from crossing over into opposite lanes, drastically reducing head-on collisions. As the ride progresses, the contrast between the old road and the new construction becomes strikingly visible. On one side, the original narrow lanes stand as a reminder of how the motorway used to be, aged, worn, and undersized. On the other side, the modern expansion rises, representing a forward-looking approach to infrastructure development. This upgrade prepares Ghana for future population growth, increased trade, and expanding urban development along the Accra-Tema corridor. Traffic management along this active construction zone is another element this ride highlights clearly. With such a major project ongoing, the motorway cannot be fully closed. So temporary lanes, diversions, cones, and barriers guide motorists safely through the corridor. Speed restrictions are strategically placed to protect workers and drivers. Despite the complexity of working on a live highway, traffic still flows steadily. The careful organization of these temporary routes reflects effective planning from the engineers and contractors. As we ride past another stretch, the camera picks up the massive scale of earthworks happening along the corridor. Bulldozers push large volumes of soil, graders shape the landscape, and compactors prepare the base layers that will eventually support the new pavement. A strong and stable foundation is essential for a high-quality motorway, and this part of the ride shows how much effort goes into preparing the ground long before concrete is poured. These layers must be compacted with precision to ensure durability and prevent future road failures. Further along, the video captures workers installing underground utility ducts. These ducts house fiber optic cables, communication lines, and electrical systems. Installing them beneath the road ensures easy access for future maintenance without disturbing the pavement. This is part of the modernization strategy, building not only for today, but for the future. It means the motorway will support emerging technologies, traffic monitoring systems, smart highway features, and communication infrastructure. As the ride continues, areas that are nearing completion begin to appear. The new lanes are already formed, the concrete surface is polished and cured, and the markings are being prepared. Streetlight poles stand tall along the edges, waiting for electrical connections. New signage is being installed, providing clear instructions and enhancing safety. These finishing touches indicate that the project is advancing steadily toward completion. The Tema Motorway Expansion Project is expected to be completed within its scheduled timeline, with the various segments being delivered in phases. While the exact final date depends on progress stages and project coordination, everything captured during this ride shows a project moving steadily forward. The pace, the organization, and the visible milestones achieved along the corridor demonstrate that the contractors are working intensively to meet national expectations. This project is more than just a road upgrade. It is an investment in Ghana's economic future. The Tema port is one of the busiest ports in West Africa, handling a massive volume of imports and exports. The motorway is the primary route that connects the port to Accra and to the rest of the country. A smoother, wider, stronger motorway means goods move faster, businesses operate more efficiently, and transportation costs are reduced. These benefits ripple across the entire economy. The ride captures how essential this transformation is, not just for motorists, but for national development. As the journey continues, workers can be seen installing steel reinforcement for retaining walls and bridge structures. These elements prevent soil erosion, support embankments, and create stable foundations for elevated sections. The precision and detail involved in building these structures demonstrate the engineering capabilities deployed in this project. The ride gives viewers a front row seat as these complex structures take shape. The camera glides smoothly past another active work zone, where concrete paving machines are laying long continuous slabs of concrete. These machines ensure uniform thickness, proper leveling, and consistent quality. Workers follow the machines, smoothing edges, and checking alignment. Concrete paving is a highly time-sensitive operation. Once placed, the material must be treated, controlled, and cured properly. The ride captures groups of workers covering fresh sections with curing compound to prevent cracks and ensure strength. As the ride moves past the midsection of the project, the scale becomes even more impressive. Long stretches of the new motorway extend uninterrupted, forming a smooth corridor that runs straight through the landscape. The newly expanded lanes are wide and uniform, and the shoulders offer extra space for emergency use. The modernization of the motorway will significantly improve safety, reduce accidents, and enhance the overall driving experience.